Hi guys, it's Courage here. So in this video I want to quickly share an information with you which I believe is going to help you, generate say about 300,000 naira within this Christmas period. Okay. If you apply this information I'm going to give you, if you work on the information, if you act on it, this period, I think it's about 2-3 weeks period, is enough for you to generate around 3,000 naira if you get this product and if you sell it the exact way I am going to recommend for you. Okay. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post videos. And please give this video a thumbs up so that more people get to see the video. Without wasting time, guys, let's get started. So yeah, one of the ways, or one of the fastest ways via which most of us make money online here in Nigeria and in Africa, is by simply selling products that people want, not necessarily what they need. Okay, we sell products that people want, not necessarily what they need. Okay, so the product that I believe that if you sell this season you're going to make some money is products that has to do with fashion, with presentation, with looking good. One of such products is wristwatch. This Christmas season, this is the season where wristwatch sells like wildfire. I'm telling you this because I've done it many times, right? In the previous years, I've done this many times. This Christmas/New Year season, wristwatch is selling like wildfire. Now, this is how you are going to sell it. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to sell this wristwatch and make money online. Stay with me. So what you need to do now is to get into the market, find a big market, a popular market in your environment. I don't know where you stay, but I stay in Lagos, so I know about the Lagos markets, like the Jankara market. Sometimes you can find at trade fair, especially at the GL, at that area called GL. Okay, the first gate. So get this wristwatch, take them online, sell this wristwatch, but before you sell it, also get a bracelet. Or you simply sell 2 wristwatches at the price of 1. This is how it's done. This is what I did. I think last year Christmas we sold a lot, thousands of wristwatches. So what we did was that we get the wristwatch for men and wristwatch for women, so for male and female basically, right? And so we advertised, we made videos, we made pictures, we advertised this wristwatch. We targeted men with 1 ad copy, targeted women with another ad copy. So for the men, we showed them the wristwatch and said, when you buy this wristwatch, you get a free wristwatch for the woman in your life, or for your woman, or for your loved one. Do you understand that kind of concept, right? So with the same process, we targeted women and say, when you get this wristwatch for yourself, you also get a free wristwatch for the man, for that amazing, for that awesome, for that lovely man in your life. Do you get? So it's both ways. We sold from the side of the men, we sold from the side of the women. You are getting me, right? So we sold from both ways. You tell the man, when you get this amazing wristwatch, in fact you have to use a video because it has a very nice video showing the wristwatch in details. It's like an unboxing, right? As you are bringing the watch out of the box, out of the bag, out of whatever it is, as you are bringing it out, okay, as you are bringing it out, you are showing them, like, when you pay for this wristwatch you get free. Yeah, so when you pay for this wristwatch you get this free one for the woman, for the love of your life. You also show that one. They would love it. They would, when they are buying, okay, when they are buying, they will be specific about that free one. Why? Because it's Christmas season of love, season of gifts. They want to give to their loved ones. They want to present this gift to their wife, to their girlfriends, to their women, to the people in their life that they appreciate, that they love. All right, that's how it's done. Also, the same thing with women. Women want to show their husband appreciation. They want to add the wristwatch as a gift for the end of the year. So we buy this wristwatch. You can see this watches, nice ones from 5,000 naira, some for 7,000 naira, some for 10,000. So we're selling them for 25,000 naira. Okay, so what we did was that we bought 2 wristwatches. I think 5,000 naira or thereabouts. That's 10,000. So we sold the 2 of them for 25,000 naira. Yes, for 25,000 naira. We sold the 2 for 25,000 naira. Some we got some for 4,000, and we sold the 2 for 25,000. So we're selling the 2. Instead of selling the 2 at 25,000 each, we sold 1. Get this 1 wristwatch for 25,000 naira and get this other one for free for your loved one. The men were buying from the men's side, the women were buying from the ladies' side. So before you start selling these wristwatches, okay, before you start selling them, the first thing you need to do is to get to that supplier inside the market. If you cannot go, send someone to go for you. All right, then you take different pictures, because they have varieties, they have multiple. Take different pictures, different colors. The most common colors are black and silver, right? Get different colors, take different pictures from different angles, make different videos of the varieties that they have for both the male and the female, right? So when you get this stuff, you make videos and take pictures, remember, because this is what you're going to use to run your ad. Then you go home, set up your funnel. If you do not have money to create a funnel, that is, if at the moment you don't have the funds to create landing pages, sales page and stuff like that, it's Christmas season, don't worry yourself, use WhatsApp, because truth is most people are going to eventually contact you on WhatsApp. Why? This is their reason. They will request for samples. They will request for pictures, for different pictures, so that I can make a selection. Do you understand? So now when they request for these pictures on your WhatsApp, you send it to them. That makes everything easier for everyone. When they request for this picture, you send it to them and they tell you the one they want to buy. These things, they cannot do it on the sales page. All right? So this season, WhatsApp marketing works very well. So you give them your WhatsApp number, you would advertise, drive traffic from Facebook or from Instagram to your WhatsApp. When people request for samples, for different pictures, or show them different pictures, tell them that you have videos on, show them, then they'll make a selection. Always put a limited time offer, because people can abuse it. They'll tell you, okay, I'll get back to you in 2 weeks, I'll get back to you tomorrow or next. Put a limited time offer. Tell them that this one now, we have only 3 pieces left. I cannot keep it for you. If someone else pays, they will have it. They will be propelled to take immediate action. You know, in your ad copy, tell them that this is a Christmas bonus offer. It is only available for 1 week. They will rush it because they don't want to miss out on the offer. That's for wristwatch. Another way that you can make this 300K in this season is to do this. I would let you know now. You can sell shoes. Okay, in fact, go into the market, take pictures of shoes, bracelets, bags, wristwatches, all of this stuff. Get their pictures so that when you sell a shoe, you offer bracelets for free. Okay? When you sell a shoe, you offer a bracelet for free. When you sell a wristwatch, you offer a bracelet for free. Or you offer another wristwatch for free. But you must have factored in all the prices so that you don't sell at loss. You must have what? Factored in all the prices so that you don't sell at loss. Use Facebook adverts. You can also use Instagram advert if you want, but Facebook advert works perfectly. Then drive them to your WhatsApp and make it a limited time offer. Do this in this Christmas season, and I assure you, you are going to make more than 300K. Don't spend 1,000 naira per day on adverts. You will be disappointed. If you want to spend on adverts, spend from 3,000 naira. All right? You can spend from 2,500 or so, but don't expect big results. Spend from 3K. 3K is small money, but at least it's good for a start. Spend from 3K on adverts. You can also sell baby shoes and baby wears. I've talked about that in my previous videos. But this video is especially for something I know that will sell out fast. wristwatches. In fact, I'm going to make another video. I'm going to make a dedicated video where I might review some suppliers of wristwatches, the ones who have been supplying me. I think from next year, by January, I'll start going to suppliers stores, different suppliers. I'll start going to their stores so that you people are going to see how I discuss with them. I'm going to show everything in a video so that you learn these things and start doing it for yourself. All right, so go and implement what I've just taught you now, and I assure you, if you do it well, you are going to make a lot of money. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share with as many people you know will find it helpful. And thank you for riding with me on this channel. I have to go now. I was going somewhere. I just had to park so that I'll make this video because it came to my mind. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and cheers. Bye guys, have a nice day.